Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will be making Edikang Ikong Soup, also known as fried vegetable soup in English. As you can see on the table, I would be using some proteins such as shaki, stockfish, pomo, catfish, beef, which are already pre-cooked. The beef has already been grilled to remove excess fat based on some health purpose. Moving on, we have grounded pepper, chicken cubes, fluted pumpkin leaf, which is also known as ugu leaf. If you noticed, I am not using salt because the chicken cube has salt already in it. Next we have water leaf, chopped palm oil, chopped onion, and grounded crayfish. Just look at this, guys, all washed and ready to go in the pot. If you have been enjoying this video so far and it has been adding value to you, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet already, like and share this video, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.